क्या नाम है इसके शेड का यार।
और मैं आपको इसके बारे में अपडेट करती रहूंगी कि कितना लॉन्ग लास्टिंग है। We are trying.
And sometimes I do it like because ये swatches भी ना। Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shruti and here I make fashion, DIY and beauty related videos. So if this is something you like, then don't forget to hit on that red subscribe button and press the bell icon right next to it. So every time I upload a video, you can catch on. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is @I'mShruth and link will be there in the description box below. So guys, in today's video, I am here with a Purple haul. Purple पे अभी रिसेंटली सेल चल रहा था, I Heart Beauty सेल. उससे मैंने बहुत सारी शॉपिंग की है. I will show you some of the hits and miss in the video. And using Hall's product, I created this trending reverse eyeliner look. So if you want to know how I achieved this look and how you can bang on with this eye drama, then keep on watching. And with that, let's get dive straight into the video. So before we move on to our makeup products, let me first talk you about skincare products. So in skincare, I have two products. One is this Vadi Herbals Under Eye Cream and one is Vadi Herbals Nail and Cuticle Oil. So in past some days my nails were so brittle, like वो ऐसे ही निकल जाते थे. So I thought I should give a try to a nail cuticle oil. Every product's price will be there on the screen and links will be in the description box. So don't forget to check out the description box. इसका एप्लीकेटर ये रोल ऑन टाइप है and you just have to move it around your cuticle and आपको ये रात को लगा के छोड़ देना है ऑब्वियसली. इसका स्मेल भी बहुत अच्छा है and this is a jojoba oil. Definitely you should give it a try. Next thing is this Vadi Herbals Under Eye Cream. This cream is good. Like I will not say it's best, but it's good. बिकॉज यू नो अंडर आई जब है तो यू नो सर्टन एक्सटेंट कोई भी क्रीम आप कोई भी प्रोडक्ट उठाओ कौन सा भी उठाओ विथ टू सर्टन लिमिट टू सर्टन एक्सटेंट ही वो आपके अंडर आइज पेड करेगा. उसके आगे तो मतलब उसके आगे तो आपकी इनर ब्यूटी है. मतलब आप क्या खाते हो, आपका शेड्यूल कैसा है स्लीपिंग का, स्क्रीन के सामने आप कितने टाइम रहते हो, वही सब चीजें डायरेक्टली अफेक्ट करती है आपके अंडर आइज पे. सो कोई भी क्रीम एक लिमिट तक ही उसको फेड कर सकता है. ये व्हाइट स्कार्स नहीं छोड़ता है जब आप इसको अप्लाई करते हो. आई विल शो यू टू ऑन माई हैंड. So when you massage it into your skin, ये पूरी तरीके से आपके स्किन में मिक्सड अप हो जाता है. But you have to massage it for very long time. Like you have to massage it properly in your skin. So as you can see, बहुत मसाज करने के बाद ये ऐसा दिख रहा है. I will suggest you to use this cream in the night time only, not before your makeup or anything. I use this quite often. मतलब मुझे डार्क पिगमेंटेशन टाइप्स अंडर आइज है नहीं, ये मेरे नेचुरल जो अंडर आइज होते हैं ना डार्क अंडर आइज लोगों के वैसे ही है मेरे. स्टिल आई यूज दिस समटाइम्स जस्ट टू रिड्यूस माई अंडर आइज स्ट्रेस. और जब मैं स्क्रीन पे बहुत ज्यादा होती हूँ तब मैं इसको यूज करती हूँ. Basically, I just use this cream to take care of my under eyes, not to fade up my under eyes or anything. Definitely, you can give it a try. It is a herbal product made with almond oil and cucumber extract. Okay, so now let's start with our main makeup. So मैंने कुछ प्राइमर लिया नहीं है, so I am going with this Insight 3-in-1 primer. और Purple Hall के जो main products है वो मैं आपको बता दूंगी कि ये Purple Hall का product है. I'm just as usual, I'm concentrating on my T-zone and spreading left or all over my face. Today I actually don't know what we are going to do, like what style of makeup, what its vibe. I really don't know. Let's see. So now it's time to conceal our face. Finally मैंने जो मेरा अंडर आई का शेड है उसका मैचिंग कंसीलर ले लिया है. And this is the NY Bay Runway Concealer. Like ये कंसीलर, फाउंडेशन और कॉन्टोर 3-in-1 स्टिक है. And I bought two shades. One is in a 5 backstage trial in the porcelain shade and one is in a backstage rehearsal in neutral. Let me come closer and show you. These two concealers I bought. This is the shade 1 and this is the shade 5. This is the porcelain and this is the natural वाला. ये natural वाला तो मेरी स्किन टोन का कहाँ से भी मैच नहीं है. इसका अंडरटोन ही डिफरेंट है मेरे से. So I am thinking कि मैं इसको रिटर्न कर दूँ. But this porcelain shade is perfect match for my under eyes. Let me show you. Yes. So as you can see, this is perfect match for my under eyes and I can use this as my foundation too. And now I am just applying it on my dark spots. This concealer is quite good, but this is gliding on my face very smoothly. Now let's check the coverage. So this is the Color Bar Beauty Blender. I bought this from Purple. मैंने इसके बारे में बहुत सारी अच्छी बातें सुनी थी और मैंने इसको डैम्प किया है.
लाइक ये फेस पे बहुत अच्छे से बाउंस हो रहा है, ये प्रोडक्ट्स भी बहुत अच्छे तरीके से ब्लेंड कर रहा है. एंड इफ वी टॉक अबाउट कवरेज ऑफ अ कंसीलर, then I think it's pretty good. Like it's decent. It's like इसका natural to sheer coverage है. We will try to build it up. So I'm applying second coat. Beauty blender is quite good. like ये कलर बार का है. एंड मैं आपको इसके बारे में अपडेट करती रहूंगी कि ये कितना लॉन्ग लास्टिंग है, दिस दैट. So concealer का coverage is buildable, like you can build it up as you want. And now I think it's good. It covered my under eyes very well. Now let's move on to the foundation. And for foundation, I bought this Fit Me foundation from Purple. This is in the shade 128. Actually, I use 115 Ivory. बट मुझे कभी कभी लगता है कि वो मेरे स्किन टोन से लाइट है और उसका अंडरटोन पिंकिश है. सो आई थॉट आई शुड गिव इट ट्राई टू 128. If I have to talk about this foundation is good. It is affordable. ब्रांड भी अच्छा है, क्वालिटी भी अच्छी है. Obviously, you can build it up the coverage. इसका मीडियम कवरेज है, but you can build it up to high coverage also. Now using this blender, I'm blending the foundation. इस ब्लेंडर का भी फिनिश बहुत अच्छा है. लाइक ये पैचेस नहीं छोड़ रहा है. I quite like this blender. I'm not applying more foundation on the areas where I conceal. Don't forget to take your foundation into your hairline. Left over I'm applying on my neck, because some even लगना चाहिए. Oh my god, I forget to talk about this. So let's talk about this. This is a Wadi Herbal Lip Balm in the variant Lychee. मैंने अपने लिप्स तो प्रेप किए थे, बट मैं इसके बारे में बोलना भूल गई थी. So I'm applying it again. आई थिंक इसमें बहुत सारे वेरिएंट है. मिंट है, ऑरेंज है. एंड दिस इज अ गुड लिप बाम. लाइक आई थिंक ये मुझे कुछ 60 या फिर 50 का पड़ा था. और आपको बहुत बड़ा कंटेनर मिलता है, लाइक एज यू कैन सी. एंड ये आपके लिप्स को स्मूदन कर देता है. लाइक इट डज इट्स वर्क ऑफ लिप बाम. और इसकी एक्सपायरी 3 years बाद है. सो ये बहुत लंबी रेस का घोड़ा है. आप इसको आराम से यूज करो. नाउ लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड्स हाईलाइटिंग पार्ट. And now for highlighting purpose, I am using this Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade 02. This is not from a Purple haul. Applying it on a bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, chin. Swiss Beauty की कंसीलर की तो बात ही अलग है. मतलब इसका कवरेज भी बहुत अच्छा है, प्राइस पॉइंट से भी बहुत अच्छा है. दिस इज अ मस्ट बाय प्रोडक्ट. अभी भी मुझे पता नहीं है कि मैं आईज के साथ क्या करने वाली हूँ मेरे आज. आई एम सो सॉरी गाइज इफ माई वॉइस इज नॉट गुड, बिकॉज मुझे बहुत ज्यादा कफ हुआ है. So please cope up with me. Now let's move towards our eyes. And for eyes, I am deciding to do, I don't know you guys heard about that trend or not, that reverse eyeliner wala trend. We are going to do that today. So for that, I am using this kajal from NYB. I bought it from Purple. First, let me show you the swatch of it. This is a jet black kajal और इसका pigmentation भी बहुत अच्छा है. And it is super creamy. And if you talk about quality after looking at a price point, then it is superb product, must go and must buy. So before we start doing our eye makeup, so I'm just applying cello tape like this. हमको यहाँ पे अंडर आईज में मेकअप करना है, that's why मैंने ऊपर सेलो टेप लगाया है. I really don't know how it's going to turn out, but it's okay. Trial or error basis पे ये चलते हैं. I know I'm looking funny, but you have to bear it. Where is my chotu sa mirror? Now I'm taking this kajal and applying on my waterline. Ooh la la. It's damn pigmented. You have to create a wing. जैसे हम ऊपर wing create करते हैं ना, वैसे आपको नीचे wing create करना है. Let me come closer. Yeah. I don't know अब angle अच्छा है या नहीं, but I forget to set my face. Let's just set our face first. So I am using this Lakme Perfect Radiance Compact Powder. I am using my. So मैंने fast में मेरा पूरा face सेट कर दिया है. Now let's resume our eye process. एक small angled brush लेना है और आपको इसको सिर्फ smoke out करना है. और आपको इसको आउटर वी में लेके जाना है. लाइक जैसे हम ऊपर आईलाइनर का वी बनाते हैं ना, जैसे हमें इसको स्मोक आउट करते करते आउटर वी में लेके जाना है. Now I am taking this pencil brush. And from this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette in the shade 02, I'm taking this light brown shade and I'm just blending the outer edge of the line. और मैं अब फिर इसको थोड़ा सा डार्क करूंगी. If you want that jet black look, आप इसको मत blend करो ब्राउन कलर से. मुझे इतना jet black नहीं चाहिए था. That's why I blended. So now I think it's okay. I know now it is looking horrible. It is looking horrible to me also. But let's remove the tap and then we will see. Okay, so now this is what I wish for. Now let's apply mascara. मैं first अभी eye खत्म ही कर लेती हूँ and then I will move on to this eye. I'm using this Vega का color. I think this is also I bought from a purple. I will tell you in the description box. Because ये मेरे purple की wish list में था. I'm using this Maybelline Hypercurl mascara. This is not from a purple haul. This is from Amazon Full Face Makeup under 250 at 300. If you haven't watched my that video, I will link it down in the eye or in the description box. Go and watch that. I'm just wiggling mascara throughout my eyelashes. Now let's apply thin eyeliner. Or should I go for lashes? I think I should go for lashes. ये lashes मैंने regular store से buy की है. ये natural looking lashes है. So I can't provide link of it. So I'm going to cut this lash. Now ये छोटा सा part है ना, वो I am going to apply on the outer corner of my eye. I don't know is it making difference on a camera or not, but in real life it is looking different. Like अच्छा लग रहा है. Now I'm taking this inside का eyeliner. Like you have to draw possible thinnest line. And I'm going to apply this eyeliner into my inner corner. Let me quickly do my second eye and I will be back. I'm back. And now it's time to fix that cellotape वाला part. So I'm applying this NYB का concealer थोड़ा सा on here and on my under eyes. You know because वहाँ पे blackish shade एक आ जाता है जब हम काजल बहुत ज़्यादा apply करते हैं तो. Make sure you are not picking up that काजल, otherwise तो मतलब हो गया आपका. It just help you to make your eye look sharp. Now let's move on towards our eyebrows. But before that, I want you to talk about this product. So I ordered this NYB compact powder in the shade Zoe Silky Beige Look 4. I don't know I'm pronouncing it correct or not. And this is how it look like. But मुझे ये damaged product मिला था. Let me just show you कि ये मतलब ऐसा है. Like this is the condition of it. इसका केक ही बाहर आ गया है. So I'm going to return this product. But if you want to look at the shade, this is how this shade looks like. I think it's not for Indian skin tone. लेकिन मुझे भी बहुत, लेकिन मेरे लिए भी बहुत ज़्यादा cool है. So obviously shade भी मेरा मैच नहीं था और packaging भी इसकी बहुत आपने देखी है. So I'm going to return this product. So now let's move towards our eyebrows. I'm using this Blue Heaven का eyebrow styler as usual. Again I'm not over drying or anything because my eyebrows are already mess. I'm just filling the gaps. And I'm keeping my eyebrows very light, like very natural kind of a finish because यहाँ पे बहुत eye drama चल रहा है, so I want to keep it minimal. Using this pulley now, I'm just combing my brows. For contour, as usual, I'm using this light brown shade from this Swiss Beauty का palette, and I'm taking this fluffy angled brush. Just off the excess. आपको pout करना है, और जो भी line आपको दिखेगी, वहाँ पे आपको contour करना है. सिर्फ यहाँ से यहाँ तक. And if you ask me about this little bumps now, I hope you can see. ये मैंने face shave किया था मेरा, उसकी वजह से आए and they are not ready to go whatever I do. So if you know any remedy, please tell me. Okay, so I am just contouring little bit on my chin, little bit on my forehead. I have big forehead, so मुझे forehead contour करने की बहुत ज़रूरत है. So I am going to apply this shade as my blush. like ये pink tone नहीं है, peach का थोड़ा dark peach type. I'm too bad at colors. I'm playing very light handed like. So I am happy with blush. Like I want to keep it very minimal, like as minimal as possible. For setting my face, I'm using this makeup fixer from Swiss Beauty. It contains aloe vera with vitamin E. And for lipstick, I bought this LA 18 lipstick from NYB. From Purple. And this is in the shade B42 Chocolate Day. Okay, so it's looking pretty good. But on top of that, I'm applying this Blue Heaven Hyper Stay Weightless Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade 11. Like a basic nude shade. And I'm just applying it on the middle part. I want to just give that ombre sort of effect. अभी मैं ये liquid lipstick भी base पे लगा सकती थी, but always apply cream product on the base as a base lipstick, and then you will see the result कि तब lipstick बहुत अच्छे से intact रहती है आपके lips के साथ. I'm just applying little bit on the outer side. So now our lipstick is on point. And for highlighter, I'm using this shade from Swiss Beauty palette in the shade 02. I'm taking this shade on this beauty blender. Dust off the excess and just. I like to apply highlighter using beauty blender. I don't know why, but वो brushes से ऐसे लगता ही नहीं है highlighter जैसे मुझे पसंद है. थोड़ा सा nose पे and थोड़ा सा forehead पे. I have big forehead, so if you also have big forehead ना,
Don't apply highlighter on the middle part. Always apply highlighter here, like यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे. Okay, so everything is on a place. Now quickly do my hair and I will be right back. Yes, so I'm back. I just did a high pony and paired it up with this cute little rose rings. Okay, so let's talk about look. I love how this look turned out. Like lipstick is on the point, blush, contour, highlighter, everything is just on the point. We did eye drama, so my eyes are catching and everything is settled. So I like this look very much, and this is wearable, like you can wear it outside when you are going to mall or any parties. And if you recreate this look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. And lastly, we have this By Face makeup remover from Stakeworthy. I don't know why I bought remover from Stakeworthy because everyone uses this Garnier one, but I think मैंने उसी के लिए ये buy किया होगा कि let's try something new. I will apply random lipstick here. Okay. This makeup remover is quite good, but मुझे ना इसकी फ्रेग्रेंस से प्रॉब्लम है, like it has that hard fragrance. So मुझे सिर्फ उससे प्रॉब्लम है. बाकी मेकअप रिमूवर बहुत अच्छा है. So let me quickly summarize you which are the things from Purple Haul because it can be little confusing. मैंने बहुत प्रोडक्ट्स यूज करके मेकअप लुक क्रिएट किया है. 2 NYB concealer, one in the shade Porcelain and one in the shade Natural Rehearsal. I'm going to return natural. This Fit Me foundation in the shade 128. These 2 Wadi products, one is under eye cream and one is a cuticle oil. This Wadi herbal ka lip balm. This Color Bar beauty blender and this NYB compact powder which is a broken. You guys have seen it and I'm going to return this. This LA18 ka lipstick in the shade B42 Chocolate Day. Okay, so these were the products I shopped from I Heart Beauty sale on Purple. I hope you liked today's haul and my today's. If you liked the video and the look I created, don't forget to leave a comment and give a big thumbs up. We will meet soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.